Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So if you want to switch from Android to iPhone and worried about losing your WhatsApp chats, messages, photos, videos and everything, don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you the official and safest way to transfer WhatsApp chats from Android to iPhone. So before we start, make sure that you have these things ready: a new or factory reset iPhone, same phone number on both devices, Android 5 or later, and also iPhone running iOS 15.5 or newer, and also the stable Wi-Fi connections. So once everything is ready, you can just start. So the first one is the official method from WhatsApp. So on your Android phone, you can just open the Play Store, and in here just install the Move to iOS app. This one's right here. So you can just turn on your iPhone once you install the app and start the setup process. And when you see the apps and data, you can just choose Move Data from Android. And after that, a code will appear on your on your iPhone, and you can just enter that code on your Android phone and then select WhatsApp. Tap on Start, wait for the transfer to finish, and don't close the app. So once the transfer is complete, you can just finish setting up your iPhone, install WhatsApp from the App Store, open it, log in using the same phone number, and you'll see the options to restore chat history. Tap on Start and wait. But for a quick reminder, this method only works if your iPhone is new or reset. Also, both phones must stay connected to Wi-Fi, and you shouldn't lock or exit the apps during the transfer. And that's it. Your WhatsApp chats, photos, and videos are now safely transferred to your iPhone. No data loss, no stress. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and also comment below if the transfer worked for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.